flood of criticism continues today against a Provo judge and his comments during a sexual assault case.
Yeah, and now KSL has obtained courtroom audio of the judge calling the convicted rapist and former LDS bishop a good man. News specialist Lad Egan live in Provo for us with more on what the judge said. Lad?
Yeah, the audio of the entire hearing definitely gives us more information about what happened inside this courthouse, besides that one-liner that is getting international attention. One of the victims in the sexual assault case against a former LDS bishop says the judge showed too much compassion for her attacker.
She struggled with nightmares and flashbacks and depression.
Last Wednesday in Utah's 4th District Court, an emotionally charged sentencing hearing for Keith Vallejo.
My husband is a great man.
This was not a mistake, and Vallejo intentionally abused 2 young girls repeatedly.
A jury had already found the 43-year-old guilty of 10 counts of forcible sexual abuse and 1 count of object rape.
I want to make it clear that the court agrees with the verdict. I think the jury got it right.
After more than an hour of statements, Judge Thomas Lowe spoke to the court, causing outrage with this next statement.
The court has no doubt that Mr. Vallejo is an extraordinarily good man.
He went on to say that great men sometimes do bad things before handing down the sentence.
The court will impose 1 to 15 years in Utah State Prison on each of the second-degree felonies and 5 years to life on the first-degree felony.
Judge Lowe also had a message for the 2 victims.
The court is sorry that their lives now has to include this. And this court wishes them the very best life.
This was never something I wanted to ever share with anyone.
One of the victims, who agreed to be identified, said she found the judge's apparent sympathy for the perpetrator painful and disheartening.
I just think it really sends this horrible message, both to myself and to anybody else who is a victim, that, you're not supported and the justice system doesn't care about you, and why even try?
The LDS Church says it has zero tolerance for abuse of any kind, and that Vallejo was released from his calling as bishop after the leaders found out about the allegations. In fact, a spokesperson says that it was church attorneys who reported the allegations to police. Also tonight, Mike, a Utah Judicial Performance Review Commission tells me that they have received over 130 complaints against Judge Lowe.
Lad Egan live in Provo for us tonight. Lad, thank you. Dave?